Ever found yourself staring at the ceiling at 3 a.m., wondering why sleep feels so elusive? You're not alone. There's a fascinating world of science behind why you might be struggling to sleep, and thankfully, there are ways to fix it. Welcome to SleepWired, where we delve into the science of sleep and uncover habits that foster restful nights. Today, we're exploring why sleep can be so hard to come by and how you can optimize your nights for better rest. We'll discuss the biological processes behind sleep, identify common sleep disruptors, and share proven strategies to help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. To understand why you can't sleep, it's crucial to first grasp how sleep works. Our sleep-wake cycle, also known as the circadian rhythm, is regulated by a biological clock located in the brain. This clock responds to light cues, telling us when to wake up and when it's time to wind down. According to a study published in the journal Nature Reviews Neuroscience, this rhythm is influenced by the hormone melatonin, which increases with darkness and signals to our body that it's time to sleep. However, in our modern world filled with screens and artificial lights, this natural cycle can easily get disrupted. Exposure to blue light, for instance, suppresses melatonin production, making it harder for you to fall asleep. Let's talk about what might be keeping you awake. Apart from light exposure, stress is a major sleep disruptor. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that can interfere with sleep. Research in the journal Sleep suggests that heightened stress levels can delay sleep onset and reduce overall sleep duration. Caffeine and alcohol consumption can also play a significant role. Caffeine, a known stimulant, can stay in your system for up to 8 hours, which might explain why that afternoon cup of coffee is impacting your bedtime. Alcohol, on the other hand, might make you feel sleepy initially, but it can disrupt the latter stages of sleep, as noted in research published by the National Institutes of Health. Creating a sleep-friendly environment is crucial. The Journal of Physiological Anthropology highlights the importance of a dark, cool, and quiet bedroom. Try to keep your bedroom temperature between 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit and consider blackout curtains to block out unwanted light. Noise can also be a sleep deterrent. Using white noise machines or earplugs can help create a quieter environment. Additionally, investing in a comfortable mattress and pillows tailored to your sleep position can make a world of difference in sleep quality. Now, let's talk about routines. A consistent sleep schedule helps regulate your body's internal clock. The Sleep Foundation recommends going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends, to reinforce this rhythm. Incorporate a relaxing pre-sleep routine. This could involve reading, taking a warm bath, or practicing meditation. A study in JAMA Internal Medicine found that mindfulness meditation can significantly improve sleep quality and daytime impairment in adults with chronic insomnia. Your diet and lifestyle can also impact sleep. Foods rich in tryptophan, such as turkey, nuts, and seeds, can boost serotonin levels and promote better sleep. Meanwhile, cutting down on heavy meals, caffeine, and nicotine close to bedtime can prevent sleep disturbances. Exercise is another essential component. Engaging in regular physical activity, aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity per week, as recommended by the American Heart Association, can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper sleep. However, try to avoid vigorous workouts late in the evening, as they can interfere with your ability to fall asleep. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, those racing thoughts just won't quiet down. Cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia, CBTI, is a proven method to address these issues. CBTI addresses the thoughts and behaviors that hinder sleep, and studies published in The Lancet Psychiatry have shown it to be highly effective in treating chronic insomnia. Progressive muscle relaxation, where you tense and then relax each muscle group, is another technique that can help calm your mind and body, making it easier to drift off. Improving your sleep requires understanding its science and making thoughtful changes to your habits and environment. By aligning your lifestyle with your natural circadian rhythms, insulating your sleep environment from disruptions, and adopting calming pre-sleep routines, you can significantly enhance your chances of achieving restful, restorative sleep. Thanks for watching SleepWired. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more insights into the fascinating world of sleep. Hit the like button if you're ready to put these strategies into action, and share your sleep success story in the comments below. Sweet dreams, and see you in the next video.